Look, besides, that in his stomach. That's looking eggy. Have these taken videos of him? Stop that. Movement. Pure fucking spine crashed out in the middle of 11 and flare, man, with two cushions either side. We cow videoing him. John, you last week? No, you back in your bed, John?